Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have a quick tip for you to spice up your next dinner party. All you have to do is add napkin rings. So these are from Casa. They are handmade napkin rings, and the color is silver. They are a mesh design, but they are not flexible. I love the size and I love the color. Because of the silver metal look to these, you can use a patterned napkin or a solid. They're going to look amazing whether you have white plates or patterned plates. They're so simple and so elegant. You can easily take any meal and make it look special when you add a napkin ring like this with a cloth napkin. And sometimes you need a napkin ring to do lots of different fancy folds with your cloth napkin. This is exactly the kind of napkin ring you could use. So they come in a 12 pack. I really love the fact that they have this open mesh look so that when you're adding a napkin to them, you can see the pattern and it really does pop. So whether it's a special meal or you want to make it special, you're going to take it to the next level by adding these beautiful silver napkin rings. And I love the fact that they come in a 12 pack, so you're definitely going to have plenty for the whole table. And that is my point of view.